Hi, welcome back to another video. I believe you are doing well and also keeping safe. Guys, look at me. Read from my lips. Me, Abena. I regret ever befriending Abena of abenasworld. Yes, you heard me. Hey, I regret ever responding to her comments, responding to her on Instagram, responding to her on WhatsApp. Fantastic favor. Why did you decide to share my video for me to have such a person in my life? Guys, what Abena has done, I don't think I will ever talk to her again. Yes, I will never talk to Abena again. Do you want to know why? Sit back, let me relax and then come back, because I don't want to give it to her back boost. I want to relax for her in this video, though I am super angry at her. Hello, welcome back. Anytime I post a video of myself with Abena, I get this unwanted advice. Yeah, they are unwanted because I don't need them. I don't need them. Me, I am very positive. I am optimistic in life. Even when things seems to be wrong, I still keep my head up and be that optimist. And be that optimistic. I am not pessimistic, so I don't pray for bad things. I don't expect negativities. Yes, someone said you have to expect negative. You don't have to expect the best from people all the time. Me, that is not me. When I see someone, I think good. What's the word? Just as in the law, it says, not until proven guilty you are innocent. That is how I see people. I know that YouTube is not a congregation of saints. It's the same people living on earth that have congregated or come together on YouTube. I know it. Yes, I know it. But that does not give me the right. That does not mean that whenever I see someone, I should just call back. I should be defensive. If I do that, I cannot give out my best. I cannot be me. I'll be pretending. So after making that video, someone said that, Nana, looking at the way friendships are becoming sore on these streets, Nana, you have to think twice of your relationship with Abena. Abena is too loud. You are soft. Abena is this. Abena is that. See the way she addressed her family. Abena is like this. Abena is like this. So I'm advising you, Nana, to be careful with her. My dear, if you are thinking of writing such to me, I don't need it. Yes, I don't need it. We started our friendship on this street. We will continue it on this street, inshallah. Yeah, as long as the Lord liveth and our souls liveth, so would our friendship be. We are human. I will not sit here and say that we would never have a disagreement. A senator, the tongue and the teeth, they do fight. Don't you have misunderstandings with your family, with your children, with your spouse, with your siblings, with your parents? Have you never had? We are human beings. We are living our true lives. We are living our best lives. So we will not fake. And when such things happen, if we deem it fit, we will share with you. It appears that some of us, we are allergic to seeing people happy. When we see people coming together, especially women, we want to spark disagreement. We want to do everything to spark confusion among them. This is how I have saved her number. Super crazy. I have screenshot it once. I will do it again for you to see. She has two contacts. So one is crazy little sis, and then my super crazy sis, and then crazy sis. That is how I have saved her number, because to me, she's crazy. Yeah, she's crazy. And Abena is the only person on this street that I can insult openly. I can insult. If I say insult, not giddy insult, but I can use certain words on Abena without looking back. I'll know how far we have come as friends. Guys, there is this group that believes that myself and Abena, we are too close to each other than we are with AC. The truth is, I don't know how close Abena is with AC, but from what I see on YouTube, Abena is much closer to AC than myself. I stand to be corrected. One, the two of them lives in Accra and I live far away in Koforidua. The last time I saw Abena was in on the 31st of December 2021. Since then, I have not set an eye on Abena again. I have been going to Accra, but I go on other engagements. Once I had wanted to surprise AC, but she ended up surprising me. So when I called her that, oh, I want to come over to your place, unfortunately for me, she wasn't home. She was somewhere else. So we had to meet by the roadside. And guys, it was when I got there that I realized that AC, the full IAP, AC was pregnant. Yes, in that video, if I get a set, I will show it to you. I told you I was meeting a big YouTuber.
This is the big in size. Big in size.
Big in all aspects.
Yeah. Hello.
I don't discuss AC with Abena, neither do I discuss Abena with AC. When I call AC, well, AC, it's been a while. How are you? How is everybody? Okay, I was checking up on you. Then, we ended. But when I call Abena, we can talk, sir, because AC has a husband, she has children. So you will never know what she was doing before your call came through. It could even be, say, or generate points, but out of curiosity, not say, oh, let me answer your call. Anything. Again, we don't go out as you expect us. We really want to go out too, because me, I am free. Lights out. Between the three of us, I am the only person that I think when you call Nana, let's go here, I can easily and quickly jump on. For AC, she has a husband and children, so she has to look through her itinerary before she will know whether she would adjust or she can make a full time for us. And for Abena, that girl, she works like a crazy human being. Believe you me, when Abena came, I was telling her that there is one fine, is it a resort? There's one fine lake be at this place, Medina, at Ashalibotwe. There's one fine place to be at, is it Marina Resort? There's one nice resort to be around Ashalibotwe. I even told Abena that we should plan, so the three of us go there again. They have the horse ride, they have, I think, a lake, they have a boat you ride on. I've been there before, so I was even telling Abena that we have to plan and go there. Let me tell you what made me love Abena this much. I was talking to her on this same subject, and I was like, Abena, looking at how friendships are going so on this street, that was last year. Sometimes I fear for hours. And she said, Nana, point of correction. You are not my friend, you are my elder sister. That is what Abena told me. And since then, And that statement, it changed my perception about our friendship, because I was also holding back. I felt that she was giving her best, she was giving her all, but I also was holding back because so I've been there before. But ever since she told me that, oh, I opened up to her. We don't care. I'm not saying that is what we are praying for. I'm not saying that is what we are anticipating. But hey, should we be separated, guys, there wouldn't be any form of drama from us, because we have nothing to betray each other of. What we are sharing with you is what we are discussing. There we have no what is the word? In this time be any cupboard. We have no cobwebs in our cupboards. We, as I say, we don't gossip. We don't do those things. Now we say that, oh, I say you are bound. You have to be with her, because if you go apart, one is afraid that this secret of ours is going to pop up, is going to do this, is going to do that. And the last thing about us is that, yes, we are Ghanaians, we don't like drama. We don't like drama at all. If you like, ask your fellow country women living here. They know that we are for peace, oh, we are for peace. So, my dear, if you want to have an online friendship to be an example to you, learn from us. Between AC and Abena, I don't know who is the oldest, but I think not because she's married. I think AC is older than Abena. I do not know. And so when we are planning, we put our baby sister last, because that is why we give her the priority whenever we want to go out. Guys, until I come your way with another video, I pray that whenever you say a prayer, you say one for my beautiful family, my friends on YouTube. Pray for the algorithm to pick us. Yes, for the algorithm to bless us. For the algorithm to marry us to marry us some. Yes, that is what we want from you. That is our prayer. Chap kiss. Bye-bye. This one that the light has gone off for about 20 minutes. Let it not be that my money has expired though. Because if that is the case, it could be, but God did, so we too, we did.